There is a public perception that corruption and price rise have gone hand in hand. That has affected and impacted your election results in the last in these elections that were just held. Do you think that you're bringing the Lokpal at the fag end of this UPA too?
I'll tell you.
The perception is already gone.
I'll tell you about the perception. Look, the single biggest step, and frankly a much bigger step than the Lokpal against corruption, is called the right to information. We passed the right to information when we were doing just fine. We were doing perfectly well, and we came out with the single biggest instrument against corruption. So this argument that we are doing this as a result of elections, I think it's a bit unfair. We are committed to providing a framework to this country of anti-corruption anti-corruption legislation. The base of that framework is the RTI, and we are adding to that. Lokpal Bill is one addition. It's an important addition.
Gandhi, the other day you said you need to learn from the Aam Aadmi Party. Given that you started a democratization process over 6 years back, and we have seen the youth shifting to the Aam Aadmi Party in this election, was your remark some kind of admission of your failure to bring the youth into your party? And is it time that you start the democratization process?
This press conference, please stick to Lokpal.
अब आप जब लोकपाल बिल लेके आ रही है, सरकार ने ज्यादा वाइडर कंसेंसस बनाया, आपको लगता है कि अब अन्ना हजारे को अपना अनशन खत्म कर देना चाहिए और कांग्रेस पार्टी क्या कन्विंस करेगी अन्ना को कि जो वो चाहते थे जन लोकपाल के माध्यम से उसमें से ज्यादा चीजों को अकोमोडेट किया गया? क्या आप मिलने जाएंगे राहुल जी?
नहीं, देखिए हमारा काम, जैसे मैंने कहा, एक करप्शन के खिलाफ एक इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर तैयार करने का है. हमने आरटीआई दिया, हमने अब लोकपाल की बात हो रही है और काफ़ी हमने इनोवेशंस किए हैं और हम करते जाएंगे. अन्ना जी फास्ट पे हैं. I mean, that is his perspective. He is on a fast. Our job, as far as I'm concerned, is to give this country a powerful Lokpal bill. And again I'm asking, I've said it now 3 times, what we need, we are 99% there. What we need is 1% movement from the political parties in this country. And I'm pretty confident that if we work together, we can actually finish and deliver the Lokpal.
लोकपाल के अधीन होगी तो आपको लगता है कि प्राइम मिनिस्टर के एक पैरेलल शक्तिमान बॉडी खड़ी हो जाएगी, साथ ही साथ ये प्रधानमंत्री के अधिकारों पर आज भी आ सकती है?
And who will appoint the CBI chief?
What is the question?
Who will appoint the CBI chief? And will this become a parallel power to the Prime Minister?
Can it be a parallel body against the Prime Minister? Will it encroach the powers of the Prime Minister if you do it?
There is already a law which provides for appointment of the CBI chief. That is in the Central Vigilance Commission Act. There is already a process there. And the CBI chief will be appointed according to that law. Therefore, the Lokpal bill does not deal with appointment of the CBI chief. The Lokpal bill provides for how the Lokpal and the CBI will work together. Where the CBI has to be used by the Lokpal, the bill provides for that. But the appointment of the CBI chief is governed by another law.
What I'm basically saying is, एक second. What I'm basically saying is that this is important for the country. We should put aside small little differences that the political parties have, get together and finish this job. That's all I'm saying. That's why we held this press conference. Thank you very much.